our channel, and today we're going to be opening Zuru Cotton Candy Cuties. So, I got grape. I got it's like a bubble gum. Well, they're by Zuru, and it smells sweet. And it's like this. So let's open it. So there's like a zipper thing. So I was opening hers. So like you find these and then you zip down. She was trying to do that. I did this already. Oh, she did it the wrong way, but. And I'm gonna do the zipping thing. By the way, we just came out from Walmart, so I'm opening it. Okay. So now I opened mine, so you just take the cover out. Mom, here. It's the garbage. And Azelle finally got it. And now let's pop the lids out.
But first I'll take this thing.
Yeah, these tags. Rip it off. Oh, I got it.
Almost got it. Just have to do this.
So cool.
Can you help me? Kind of like that.
Don't worry. Whoa. Do worry, but.
Oh, almost got it. I'm almost done.
Taking off the wrapper thing, and then after we're gonna pop off its lid.
It's just like Can you open this?
Here, I'll help you. We can just put it in hot water and it'll come off. Oh well, now we're going to pop off the lid. So, whoa!
Oh, got it.
Look at the slime.
I think this is
It's like kind of stretchy slime. I watch videos how they do this. It's so cool. We got the small ones. I got surprises in there.
I think they
Oh well.
just
As I was opening this,
it's glittery.
it's actually really glittery though. Whoa, that is so good. And the scent is so nice. Wow. It's actually so amazing. It's really stretchy. It's sad. It's so nice. And this is its case. Put it back. So cool. Let's go see Azelle's one.
And it's
Ooh.
glittery.
Wait, let me smell. Oh, guys, it smells like bubblegum. It's so fantastic. Well, I'm trying to stuff mine in. And after put the lid on. Oh, well. Zelle's really having fun with us. It's so nice. It smells like grape and so we're switching slimes right now. We're not like switching, but like we're just switching to like. This is so cool. It's so pretty.
I like yours because last one is theirs.
Oh, those are so nice. Just cabbage. Well, it's so cool. Walking right up there. So as I was put my slime back in, and I'll put my slime in. Well, this is so cool. Oh, it's so hard. You just pop it out and it. Ooh, and we're going to Tim's to get some drinks. Ooh,
The sweet banana ay kwan o vanilla?
Not the vanilla dip drink.
Hindi naman inom ng dessert.
I'll
Ikaw,
probably
Lisa?
take a strawberry and banana smoothie.
Ikaw, Lisa?
And probably the English muffin. I haven't had those, but like,
Muffin with sausage?
yeah. Haven't had those anymore. Well, I'm just going to
Vanilla dip thing, vanilla dip drink, and
put.
I'm gonna have
Woohoo!
chocolate drink.
The case is so cute. It's purple. So you can even smell it from the outside because like it has holes.
But does it dry up? That's the question.
Well, sand doesn't dry, so yeah. Bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share this video, and bye.